Staying hydrated has numerous benefits for our bodies and minds. Here are some of the most significant advantages. Physical benefits. 1. Boosts energy. Even mild dehydration can cause fatigue, headaches, and difficulty concentrating. Drinking enough water can help boost energy levels. 2. Supports weight loss. Staying hydrated can help with weight loss by increasing satiety, reducing appetite, and improving metabolism. 3. Flushes toxins. Water helps flush out toxins and waste products from the body, improving skin health and reducing the risk of diseases. 4. Exercise performance. Proper hydration is essential for exercise performance and recovery. It helps regulate body temperature, transport nutrients, and remove waste products. 5. Digestive health. Water helps prevent constipation, reduces the risk of kidney stones, and supports healthy digestion. Mental and emotional benefits. 1. Improves focus. Dehydration can impair cognitive function, including attention, memory, and mood. Drinking enough water can help improve focus and concentration. 2. Reduces stress. Even mild dehydration can cause feelings of anxiety and stress. Staying hydrated can help reduce stress levels and promote relaxation. 3. Boosts mood. Dehydration can lead to irritability, fatigue, and low mood. Drinking enough water can help improve mood and reduce symptoms of depression. Other benefits. 1. Maintains healthy blood pressure. Drinking enough water can help regulate blood pressure and reduce the risk of hypertension. 2. Supports kidney function. Our kidneys need water to function properly. Inadequate hydration can lead to kidney damage and disease. 3. Reduces headaches. Dehydration is a common cause of headaches. Staying hydrated can help reduce the frequency and severity of headaches. How much water should you drink? The amount of water we need varies depending on age, sex, weight, activity level, and climate. Here are some general guidelines. Drink at least 8 to 10 cups, 64-80 ounces, of water per day. Adjust your intake based on your individual needs and activity level. Monitor your urine output to ensure you're drinking enough water. If your urine is pale yellow or clear, you're likely hydrated. Remember, staying hydrated is essential for our overall health and well-being. Make drinking water a habit, and enjoy the many benefits it provides.